Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dpex token, ticker symbol DPEX. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, July 6th. We're going to go over the information on the Dpex token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is on the Polygon blockchain. On their Polygon scan, it says they only have one holder so far. So that tells me that this is their initial listing date when they're getting listed on this big central exchange tomorrow. They're being listed tomorrow, July 6th at 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DPEX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, they do have a full white paper you can find at docs.dpex.io. You can find their webpage at dpex.io, and that has links to their application, their document section, voting, blogs, all sorts of links there. According to their Polygon scan, they have a total supply of 1,250,000,000 tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. They also have a contact email, core@dpex.io. Medium articles, Twitter. As always, I put their Twitter up right here. You can find it at Dpex_IO. They have a GitHub, a Telegram at Dpex_IO, and a Discord group that you could join as well. Now, their Twitter has 9,516 followers, so they're doing very well on Twitter so far. 583 tweets, very active, and they have the blue verified check mark on there. Now, their Telegram group, also doing very well, 6,165 members on the Telegram. So Dpex is a decentralized spot and perpetual exchange on the Polygon network that supports low swap fees and zero price impact trades with up to 50 times leverage on short and long positions. The protocol uses multi-asset liquidity pools that earn fees from swaps, market-making leverage trading spreads, funding fees, liquidations, and asset rebalancing. Chainlink oracles provide dynamic pricing and TWAP pricing from leading volume decentralized exchanges. So they have a tokenomics section on their paper here. They have trading section, reward section. Looks like they have an audit, bug bounty, API, referrals, all sorts of cool things you could check out on their document section. It says with Dpex, you can stay in control over your crypto assets by holding onto your private keys and without sharing your private data, trading with leverage in a decentralized fashion. Low transaction fees without price impact, even for large order sizes. Dpex uses Chainlink oracles to validate the price keeper's submitted price, and it is within 2.5% of the range of that of Chainlink. Furthermore, Chainlink oracles is the only price feed that is used for liquidation calculations, protecting traders from malicious liquidity or liquidated positions. When it comes to PriceKeeper, Dpex uses aggregated data from 5 centralized exchanges such as Bitfinex, KuCoin, Binance, OKX, and Gate. The median price of those 5 central exchanges is used to submit the price on-chain until Chainlink is updated by Chainlink Foundation. Now, the tokenomics, it says here, you can stake the token. Staked Dpex receives 3 types of rewards. Escrow Dpex, and ticker symbol for that is DPEX. Also, Matic rewards and multiplier points. So, there is Dpex is the platform's utility token and governance token. Holding the token unlocks various benefits. So, you get voting rights. And you can vote on which direction you'd like the project to go. They have a vesting schedule on here. And they also have token allocation on here as well. So 50% of the tokens went to Launchpad IDO. Strategic round 25%. Private and seed sale 12.5%. And then it says 0% advisors, but it looks like that's incorrect. It says 3% advisors down here. Well, I don't know why they put 0%, but anyways, 3% advisors. Then we have a tiny bit going to 6% going to partnerships, and 13% going to team. It also says 8% operations, 10% reserve. Yeah, so the vesting schedule for some reason doesn't have the right percentages, but the pie chart does. So you can check that out on their document section. Yeah, you can receive rewards for compounding and claiming. There's staking, multiplier points, distribution schedule. And then we have DPLP as part of the ecosystem as well, and that is the platform's liquidity provider token. DPLP consists of an index of assets used for swaps and leverage trading. It can be minted using any index asset and burnt to redeem any index asset. The price for minting and redemption is calculated based on the total worth of assets in the index, including profits and losses of open positions. Holders of the DPLP token earn escrow Dpex rewards. So you can learn all about that. How to mint the DPLP token, redeeming it, rebalancing, the risks, all that's available on there. Now, it looks like they have a full audit conducted by CertiK, and CertiK is the leading auditor, so that's great. And also Zokio, it says here, for platform security. Check out their bug bounty. Check it all out, docs.dpex.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Dpex? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.